the box.
Open the box, open the box.
What's that?
What is that? Oh, I wonder. What is this? What is this? Oh, what is that? Do you see a bunny? Oh, on to another bunny.
Does it shake a shake-a?
Shake it.
Is it bunny? What's that?
Is that a froggy that lights up?
Yeah, Dad?
And a jelly bean bunny.
Bayman, show me the bunny.
What's that?
And a race car. And Remy, what do you have? Do you have a blue bunny? And bunny pile up?
Let's get his hand in there.
And bunny M&Ms? You want to get your hand in there? Go for it. Go, go. Go. What did you find? Did you find a light up ducky? Oh, you almost had it, buddy. And a jelly bean bunny.
Shake it, shake-a, Tums. Shake it. Oh, oh.
Who's got clothes? I think these are probably Temers. Nope, I think we're sharing. Knowing you guys right now, it's your sizes. This is a 2T.
Yeah, I can share that. What are you, what's that? Oh.
Oh, did you get a banana on it? Ooh.
What's wrong, Bames? Oh, there's a banana on it. Well, just eat the banana.
Just
Just
the banana.
eat the banana.
Ooh, and shorts.
Don't put it on the floor. Thank you.
And we got shorts for the summer.
It's good Bames doesn't have any big ones.
I know. Those are 24 months.
He'll fit in those. He'll definitely fit in that.
That's 14, that's why. Yeah, he'll definitely fit in this.
What you doing, Bayman? Whoa!
He'll fit in that.
That's super cute.
Yeah, just take a guess what size that is.
What?
He'll fit in that. Alright, gotta go check out the chicken.
Remy, Tummy. Amen. Can you guys say thank you, Aunt Holly and Aunt Pammy? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Here, look here and say thank you.
Thank you.
No, wait, well, you can't look at it or else I can't see your face. Here. Well, look at Tummer's. Oh, that's a bag. Uh-oh. Can you say, bless you. Can you say thank you? Bless you. Say thank you. Yes, your amen.